Hi there, today I'm gonna show you how to make a stylish leather bracelet for your dad. Father's Day is coming, so we need to prepare a gift. Special leather bracelet with text on it. I will show you how to put a text without a laser. Okay, let's go. Now we need a letter. We choose the dark one. Now I will use my pattern. It's the best size for standard leather bracelet. Okay, it will have 6 holes. If you want, you can make it more. Okay, and one bigger one here. One. Now we will make holes. Here will be a bigger one hole. Bigger one, and it will go inside. Oh, that's you see. Okay, and now we have here 6 holes. Wait, this tool is the fastest way, most comfortable. Okay, now we'll have size. Now we're gonna put here, I use this type with screwdriver to put there inside. We can take it, make a bigger hole a little bit, then you put that screw, screw it for letter. That's good one. And now we're gonna try. Nice looking bracelet, little too big for me, so we'll make one more size smaller. I will put it here. And now it will be perfect fit on my hand. Okay, let's go. I can try it. Put it here. Now it's good. Nice one. And now we will personalize it for our dad for Father's Day. So I'm gonna write on it. You can use this tool and you can write perfect. No, how it looks easy. You can write it with your hands. Your letters will be much precious than mine, but I showed you how can you make it easy and simple. Best gift for everyday use. Okay, that's a good one. And look at how it looks. Okay, thank you for watching. If you like it or you want some more, write in the comments and I will show you. Here is the final one I made. Here's the fast one I showed you. Okay, don't forget your Father's Day is coming soon, so have a nice day. Make your bracelet, make your gift, and make happy people. Bye.